The P0011 code means the ECM has detected that the intake camshaft timing on bank 1 is over advanced. In simple terms, the camshaft is opening the intake valves too early, which can throw off your engine's timing and performance. In a V-type engine like a V6 or V8, bank 1 is the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. For inline engines like 4-cylinder engines, the whole engine is considered bank 1 because there's only one row of cylinders. The first cause could be a failing or clogged VVT solenoid. This solenoid controls oil flow to the camshaft actuator. If it's sticking or the small oil screen on it is clogged with sludge, it won't control timing properly. Most of the time, the screen is part of the solenoid, so if it's clogged, the whole unit usually gets replaced. The second cause could be dirty or low engine oil. VVT systems rely on clean oil to operate. If the oil is old, low, or thick with sludge, it can prevent the cam timing from adjusting like it should. The third cause could be a faulty camshaft actuator, also known as a cam phaser. This is the mechanical part that adjusts the camshaft's position. If it's stuck or worn, it can get stuck in the advanced position and trigger the P0011 code. The fourth cause could be a stretched timing chain or a damaged chain tensioner. If the chain has too much slack, the cam timing won't match where the ECM expects it to be. The fifth cause could be a faulty camshaft position sensor. If it's giving incorrect data, the ECM might think the cam is over advanced when it's not. The sixth cause could be damaged wiring or poor connections at the VVT solenoid or cam sensor. Broken wires, corroded plugs, or loose connections can all mess with signals. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM or software glitch. This is rare, but if the ECM isn't interpreting the signals correctly, it can set the P0011 code.